Okay, I'm going to try and get through this quickly as I can. It's 7/19/2018. Okay, and let's try this. Starting live video. Okay, we're live on Facebook. Rotate your device. You can't. What? Can't do it like this? Why not? Oh gosh, having too much fun here. No, I'm going to try it like this. Here we go. Okay. Yesterday, I made a video about this model here, and okay, so we got 15 minutes to run through this. Okay, so alright, so here we go. Hey, yesterday no, that's not it. Yesterday, wait, where are we? Here. No, not there. Messenger. Wait. How do we do this? Messenger. Not Messenger. No. No. Home. Wait. My feed. I need to go to me. There we go. Me. Okay, here we go. And then, I guess this isn't going to work like this. Okay, so yesterday I did this. Here we go. It's 1656 videos of this here, okay, and I'm shooting it like this with the camera for this camera for YouTube and that one there for like that, okay, so anyways, let me get to it here. It's not there, here, okay, so here we go. Open with, I've already got there, right, let me go back, okay, so alright, so here we go. Okay, so these are the pictures in my computer of this box that I made a video about yesterday, and I'm shooting it horizontally with the video sideways. Well, yeah, well, oh, sorry, that's not going to work. Video sideways. Well. Alright, let me see if I can video sideways, huh? Okay, so let me see if this will fit in here like this. I don't know if I can get this to stay here. Let's see here. Wait, oops. Oh boy. Alright, that worked. I gotta pull the thing back. Pull it back, pull it back, pull it back, pull it back, pull it back. Okay, so, alright, so is that better? Going to be smaller pictures for y'all. Okay, so is that better? Right, so now you can see it back there, right? Okay. So this is the top, right? That's the top. It's got those there, okay, stereo, wide mono, battery light, off, sleep, whoa. And it's got your mic mixing, bass, treble, balance, your function switch, phono, tape, whatever. Okay, I can't do this. Having too much fun. Is that better? Oh, he likes that. Tazio likes it. Okay, great. So here's the input end. Okay, the input end has got a moving magnet phono, and then your left and right auxiliary, and then your left and right mics with a remote control here, and then it's got a mixing mic function, and your left and right speaker outputs, and then a headphone jack. And then there's a go further down. It's got a DC input, world voltage, and AC input jack thing there, okay? Then here we've got the other end, which has got your antenna for your 300 ohms, and then your ground for your phono, and then external antenna, local and distance, like that, okay. So, then we have, here's the back, all right? That's the back of it, and this has a, I didn't notice this before, but this has a little mark there, and there's no antenna there or there, okay? And then that's the bottom. That's how the screws come out. That's the battery compartment. This is when you crack it open, that's what's inside. Okay, and then that's where the speaker wires go there. Says speaker out. Okay, got that? That's the back of it on the inside. Okay, looks like this. It's a 4 ohm. That, this, that. Okay, that's the inside of it there. No flash. That side, this side. Those pictures. Okay, I just take them for my purposes. Okay, so now here's the cassette deck. Okay, looks like that. All right. And then here's the cassette deck out. I only had 3 screws holding it in place, okay? And that's the underside of the thing there. There's the recording bar right there, okay? Here's the flip side of it, okay? It doesn't have any belts, and it's got a big old tarry mess right there, okay? So then we have, again, it's just another view. Another view, see, we got, tar stuff here, and we've got tar on there, alright? So just another view, alright? So I don't want to bore you with all this, but this is what I do. I take lots of pictures. And here's it's a clockwise motor. That's what it is, 12 volt, okay? Then here it is in the tub, okay? Yeah, got a bath, okay? This is just letting you know I got a bath. Then here it is, drying out. Let's see, can I show any water on here? No. Oh, trust me, it got outside, okay? Then here we cleaned it, took a lot of that stuff to get that off, alright? And here it is, nice and clean, okay, nice and clean, even got that nice and clean, alright? So, and then here it is with a fresh belt, okay? I don't know, that was like maybe a 4-inch belt there. Took a 5-inch belt for the main unit. Then here I'm taking pictures to see where that screw is. Okay, likewise over here to see where that screw is, okay, and then just this circuit board here to see where those screws are at, okay, and then that circuit board to see where those screws are at, and then I removed those screws and I got to, I needed to see this has a grounding wire to the top panel, okay, and then of course the grounding wire grounds to that little thing right there, so that's the whole reason for taking that picture. This is the antenna wires. Okay, that's a bad picture. Here's one with a flash. There we go. Anyway, so there it's there, all right? And then this is where, that's a bad picture. That's where the antenna wires go. They plug in right there, here, and that, okay? And then got to the other side of it, so there's the other side of it, okay? And we took the speakers out, okay? So they look really dirty right here, okay? And see here. There you go, nice and dirty speakers, really dirty, crusty, okay. Alright, so then we got the grills to come off, so we got, really cruddy things there, and then anyway like that, and then we took them outside to clean them off, okay, so we cleaned them, and we, now see, it actually got wet. Washed it in the hose outside, so yes, it got wet. I had to dry it out. Then we painted them with, what is this? Well, it's supposed to be gloss. I don't know where it says on there, but anyway, it's just, okay. Then here it is, all nice and shiny. Look at that shine. Yeah, okay. And then another picture of just nice and pretty. And then here we are putting it back together. Yeah, see that shine? Yeah, that's a good shine. Alright, so here's another outdoor picture, okay? And another outdoor picture just trying to show that shine. Yeah. And here's the back side, who cares? Here we are back inside, okay? And I put an antenna on here, that's what I'm holding with my finger. So, putting an antenna in, okay? And then, no flash. Here I'm trying to show that the, let's see here, it records. So if you have it in record mode, this will light up. That's the recording light, okay? And of course you're recording off the radio in stereo. This is your FM stereo, right? Okay. And then this is your, and then the VU meters work, okay? And so the tape kind of works, and it's in record mode. So, and all the lights work. Right? You got that light there, and then you've got individual lights for either reading meter. Okay, and then of course there's that. And then I had to clean it, so I use that to clean with. Okay, and so here I am actually cleaning it. Okay, cleaned it. All right, and then put it all back together, and it's all nice and pretty now. So it's all nice and pretty. And another picture, and that's it. That's all we wrote. That's what it is. It's that model right there. Okay. All right. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the phone here, which I have setting up on a thing, and I rotate it around to the left. Let's see here. Okay. So here's this. Now for y'all, see, I'm going to widen this thing out. Okay. So I'm doing live with Facebook, which is here via there's the live via Facebook phone thing. So you see that? I don't know if you can, yeah, you should be able to see that. So I want to do live on Facebook. Say hi to the camera. Okay, so there we are. So, all right, I did, okay, well, I can only push it, I don't want to lose my drink. That's about as far back as I can get with this thing. So that's like that. So now I'm going to take that's right. I want to plug the microphones in so you can hear the stereo. Okay, so here go the stereo microphones. There's that. All right, so I should be hear me. Okay, great. So now that works like that. So then we hit. Okay, we've got. Here we go. So that works. The radio works, which is
Hey guys, this is Ella May.
This is Drizzy Drake. Hey, it's Chris Brown. I don't think
there it is, all works. Well, you can't see that really too well. You got that stereo, but
but I've been waiting for you for my whole damn my whole lifetime.
Alright, so well, I don't know what else I can tell you over here.
Long.
I hit that on and on that I do.
First we can change it over to AM.
Today, since we've actually gotten a question from the jury on the substance or the law.
And we're in the of speed. Emmett.
Body's unique needs to match you with the perfect mattress in less than 3 minutes. For more details and to find the Sleep Experts location closest to you, go to sleepexperts.com.
Call 1-866-780-6220 for credit costs and terms. Subject to credit approval.
This Hot Sports Opinion segment is brought to you by Walmart.
Hey Dallas, Walmart's been working behind the scenes to bring you something fresh. They're sprucing up stores in the area and updating their services. Get ready to...
Well, that tape has dropouts. That's right. I need something. I need to get some more tapes here. What is this? In excess? Okay, so that works, right? So I'd shoot longer video with the recorded tapes, but well, here's my recording tape. Let's see here. So if I just drop this in, drop that in, hit record. All right, so that turns off the radio, but okay, wait. Stop. There we go. So had a little feedback going on. Let's see here. So okay, so if I'm talking over here, talking on that side, and then talking over here on this side. All right, so I'm checking the camera for time. 15 minutes. Okay, well, so if I didn't zero the counter, but let me just rewind. Play. There we go. So had a little feedback going on. Let's see here. So okay, so if I'm talking over here, talking on that side, and then talking over here on this side. All right, so I'm checking the camera for time. 15 minutes. Okay, well, so if I didn't zero the counter, but tapes. That's right. Y'all gotta go. See you later. Good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed our for sale. Bye-bye. Hey, so I know you can't see this in stereo, but not me talk. Well, the line is in, so.